Welcome to Anatomy of a Monster Stock. I'm Alan Margate, and in this video, I will be going over the 4 things you need to look for to find the next Palantir stock. From May 2023 to December 2024, Palantir rose over 750%. We will look at the technical and fundamental events that triggered this large move. The goal is, as we review these monster stocks, we will see repeating patterns that you can utilize to find future monster stocks and profit from. The 4 things to look for when searching for the start of a big move is first, a positive move of at least 5%. When looking at the chart for Palantir, if you look at the right side, you see a big gap up, a big strong move. On this day, May 9th, 2023, Palantir went up $1.81. It was a 23% move. The day before, it closed at $7.74. And then on the next day, it closed at $9.55. Some good attributes that we see here is that it crossed up above the 200-day moving average, which is the red line. You see a big gap up between the prior day move and the move on May 9th. And then you also see, if you're looking at candlesticks, you also see a nice hammer. The second thing we need to look for when searching for a start of a big move is high volume, usually over 150% the 50-day moving average. And today, on May 9th, we see a huge move of 223 million shares exchanged. The average 50-day volume move is about 33 million. That's over a 600% increase on this day. So if you keep looking, this was the start of the big move. You had a little bit of sideways movement, and then from there, it just kept going up, up, and up. Now, this is the chart from May 9th, 2023, which you'll see on the left in the purple circle, all the way till today, which is January 3rd, 2025. From the purple circle, you'll see that it made a big move up, and then it had some sideways movement, which is what you're going to expect after a big move up for about 8 months. And then there was another big gap up in February 2024, and then some more sideways movement, and then another big gap up on September 2024. And that's when you start the parabolic move with another big gap up here in November. And then it rested today at about $79.89. So that is a big 750% move. What you see on the bottom, the purple line, I place that at the low of the January 9th move. So one of the most important things is we want to have small losses and huge gains. And the way to do that is to protect yourself by putting a stop loss. So if we put a stop loss on the low of May 9th, it would never have been hit. The third thing that we are looking for is high revenue growth. From Q1 2021 to Q1 2023, you'll see steadily moving revenue growth. Palantir grew their revenue from 17% to 30% when looking at it from a year-over-year basis. The other thing that we are looking for is high earnings growth. So what you'll see here is from Q1 2021 to Q3 2022, revenue was Palantir was on a net loss position. And then Q4 2022 saw its first net income. Same with Q1 2023. That shows 2 quarters of net income. And then what you'll also see is there was a news article that Palantir said that the CEO said that the company expects to remain profitable each quarter through the end of the year. So, in addition to Palantir's revenue growth and the CEO saying that from here on out, for the rest of the year, we should be profitable, this led um, to the large gap up and the start of the big move. To summarize, Palantir went from $9.55 on May 9th, 2023 to $84.80 on December 24th, 2024. That is over a 750% gain. Now, to find the next Palantir, we are looking for four things. We are looking for a positive move of at least 5%, high volume on that day of greater than 150% of the 50-day moving average for volume. The third thing we're looking for is high revenue growth. And the fourth thing that we're looking for is high earnings growth. Now, if we look for those four things, you too can find the next monster stock. Thank you everyone for watching, and see you next time.